In this video, I'm going to show you the best settings for Autosnipe.ai to optimize your trading experience. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is head on over to Autosnipe.ai. And now once you're here, you got to make sure to first connect your wallet to Autosnipe.ai. And then once you've done that, we need to look for an option that says instant buy. So you can see it here, instant buy. It's got a red rectangle circle around it. So I'm going to go ahead and enable that. So what this does, this instant buy option allows you to purchase tokens immediately or almost instantly. If speed is a priority in your trading strategy, it's recommended to turn this on to act on new opportunities faster. Alright, and next we need to click onto filters, which is right next to it. So go ahead and click onto filters. So to ensure security and efficiency, enable the following key filters. So we need to have mint disabled. So what this does, this blocks tokens where minting authorization is disabled, helping you avoid tokens that could be manipulated, keeping this on for added security. Alright, the next one is LP burned right under it. So this prioritizes tokens with a burn liquidity pool, preventing liquidity from being reclaimed maliciously. Turn this on for protection. Now the next one, top 10 holders. So this checks token distribution among the largest holders. If you prefer decentralized ownership, turn this on, but if you're comfortable with some concentration, leave it off. The next one here, with at least one social. So ensures the token has at least one linked social media account for authenticity. Highly recommended to turn this setting on. Next one here is freeze disabled. So this filters out tokens where freezing functionality is enabled, protecting you from assets that could be locked. So turn this one for safety. The next one here is hide rugs. So one of the most important filters, it automatically hides tokens flagged as scams or potential rug pulls. Keep this on at all times. And now the next one here is customize trading parameters. So you can tweak your settings based on your personal trading strategy here. So with your volume and market cap, you can set thresholds that align with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Your buys and sells transactions adjust to match your desired trade frequency. And then you got your current liquidity, so ensures the tokens you trade have sufficient liquidity to prevent slippage. So by optimizing these settings, you enhance your Autosnipe AI trading efficiency while minimizing the risks.